forget to convey shalawat and greeting to our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who taught the goodness. The Honorable, the judges, the Honorable, the audiences, thanks for the opportunity which was given to me so that I give a short speech about searching an identity. Now there are many young generation say that they want to find their identity. But where is the identity? Where can we find our identity? How can we find it? If we want to find our identity, are they four ways that taught by Islam? First, sitting with pious people. Do we want to find our identity? Just sit with pious people. Sitting with pious people means that we interact with them and we are surrounded by them. The pious people are they who have never done something bad that against the religion rules. They who are daily always depend on Allah. Just sit with them, okay? Second, close your eyes. We say that we want to find our identity, but we like doing bad things. You say that you want to find your identity, but you really like doing pictures that show the private parts. Our identity is given to our hearts by Allah. Allah will give it to our hearts if we close our eyes from the bad things. Close our eyes what from are not allowed by Allah. Talking about closing eyes, I just remember about the song of the Greatest Showman movie. I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, to the door, to what no one's been before, but to feel like home. You like me singing the song, right? Okay, next. Third, do not interact with people who do immorality things. We say that we want to find our identity, but we look for it everywhere we want, without any direction. If we go everywhere without any direction, I am sure that we will be lost. We know the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned us that people will easily they have friends behavior, and they will follow friends' habit. No need to ask what books they have read, where they study, where they live. Basically, friendship environment will really affect in finding our identity. Fourth, wake up in the third of the night. Mention Allah's name as our God. Habib Abdullah Al-Idris bin Abu Bakar As-Shakran bin Abdurrahman As-Segal say that whoever wants a clean heart, everyone is really clean. Just wake up in the third of the night. Get your heart ready to be filled with love that given by Allah. Be assured that given by Allah is to you. Well, if we have done the four ways I mentioned before, the of course by Allah guidance, we will be given a way to find our identity. I think that's about my speech. I am sorry that given. Thank you for your attention. Wassalam.